Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. So we are back with one more true wireless earbuds and they are the Skullcandy Jib True. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how they perform. And guys, we have 3 of these available and if we get 1000 likes on our this video, then we will do the giveaway. For more updates, stay tuned to us on Instagram. Now in terms of the unboxing, in the front of the box we have the picture of the earbuds and they are the true wireless earbuds. You get 22 hours of battery backup with them. They are IPX4 water resistant, you get the voice assistant support, and you get the noise isolating fit. On the side we have the Skullcandy branding, and at the back we have some key features which we have mentioned earlier. The MRP of these earbuds is Rs 8,999. However, they are available to purchase right now for just Rs 2,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first we get the support info, and then in this pouch we get the user guide. And here you also get 2 pairs of extra silicone ear tips. And this is the micro USB charging cable. You also get this quick start guide. It has the info about the button controls and how to pair these earbuds. And then here we have the earbuds and the charging case. And guys, first of all, I'm really impressed with the packaging of this product. And I can say that this 3000 rupees product packaging looks very premium. So looking at the charging case first, and as you can see, it's the blue color. Apart from that, it's also available in black and grey color. The charging case build quality and design looks very good, and I really like this dual tone design of this blue variant. The door quality is also very good and you can easily open it with one hand. On the top of the door we have the Skullcandy logo, and here at the back we have the charging port, which unfortunately is still micro USB. A Type-C port would have been better. Nonetheless, the size of the case is good and it's also lightweight. Now looking at the earbuds, we get the in-ear style earbuds, and in terms of the design and quality, they definitely feel premium. I really like the Skullcandy branding on both the multifunctional button as well as on the ear tips, which is a nice touch. The build quality of both the earbuds and the case looks very good. The earbuds get magnetically attached to the case while charging, and you will see this red LED light on the earbud and a white LED light in front of the case. So overall right now I can say that in terms of the build quality and design, I really like these earbuds. Now let's pair them with our phone and we'll see how is the sound quality. So pairing is really simple. Just take both the earbuds out of the case and they will appear in the available Bluetooth device list. And that's it, they are paired with our phone. Now let me show you first the different button controls. So single press on either of the earbud will pause and play the music. Double press on the right earbud increases the volume, and double press on the left earbud decreases the volume. Long press on the right earbud takes you to the next soundtrack, and long press on the left earbud will take you back to the previous soundtrack. Triple tap on either of the earbud will call Google Assistant or Siri. Now in terms of the comfort, I have switched to the large ear tips, and guys, the passive noise cancellation in these earbuds is really good. You get snug fit, which is very useful while running or working out. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. I've been using these earbuds for almost 2 weeks now, and here is what I think about them. So the first thing you will notice is the bass. I wasn't expecting them to be that good, especially with the bass output. But guys, you get good punchy bass from them, and the highs and mids are also very good, which means the vocals are clear and the instrument separation is also very good. They're also pretty loud, and I prefer to keep them at 70 to 80% volume. I have used these earbuds to listen to different types of music, and overall, I really like the audio quality of these earbuds. And also, I can say that they are one of the best sounding true wireless earbuds under Rs 3000 I have tested this year. In terms of the movies, I have also watched videos on YouTube and other OTT platforms such as Netflix, and there as well, the performance was very good. So for music and movies, for sure you will love the audio quality of these earbuds. Now talking about the mic performance, you get the dual mic in these earbuds, and I have taken some video and voice calls with it, and the performance was much better as compared to some other true wireless earbuds in this price segment. Now lastly about the battery, I was able to get 4 to 5 hours of battery backup in one single charge, and with the charging case, I was able to charge them 3 more times, which is also pretty decent. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a cool looking, stylish true wireless earbuds for your daily usage from a well-known brand, then the Skullcandy Jib True is a very good option. You get a good quality product, and performance wise, these earbuds are one of my favorite right now under Rs 3000. However, there are a couple of things which I didn't like about these earbuds, such as you're still getting the micro USB port instead of the Type-C port. And also, the push button on the earbud is little uncomfortable for me to operate as it puts little pressure on my ear. Nonetheless, the overall performance you're getting with these earbuds is very good, and this makes them definitely value for money. And we will give them 4 stars out of 5. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Skullcandy Jeep True wireless earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also if we get 1000 likes on this video, then I will do the giveaway of 3 of them. So for more updates on the giveaway, follow us on Instagram right now. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.